Hi guys, how are y'all? So I hope you guys are doing great, and today teacher is going to guide you on the next part of simplifying log. So if you haven't watched the video where um, proving the product of laws, quotient of laws and power of law, I suggest that you watch that. I'll put the link down below, and also you can click up here. Now let's look at how to simplify the log by using the laws. Okay, so over here we have log 5 x square y plus log 5 4x y cube minus 3 log 2x base 5. Okay, so in this equation, what we can see is all the logs have similar base, so all of them are base 5. So first what we do, we bring x square y, okay, and 4x cube, we bring them together by using multiplication, because this is a addition. So if you look back at the law, if you have an addition, you can write it as a multiplication. So now it's going to be log base 5, so x square y, and then here straight away I can write 4xy cube. Okay, then this one I'm going to write as usual, minus 3 log base 5 2x. Now from here what we can do, we can bring this part, okay, this part of the 3 go as the power. Now when it goes as the power, we're going to write like this: log base 5 x square y 4xy cube minus log base 5 2x to the power of 3. So the entire 2x will be power of 3. Now for this part, what we can do is we can times them in. Okay, so it's going to be log base 5 x, so it's going to be 4x cube y power of 4. Okay, minus log base 5 2 to the power of 3 is 8x cube. Now we already got until here, so it looks like we still have the same base and it's minus. Now if it's minus, we can use quotient law, because minus we can divide the log. So it's going to be log base 5, so 4x to the power of 3 y to the power of 4 divided by 8x power of 3. Okay, what can we do over here? We can definitely simplify. Okay, so this one divide, we get 1, here we get 2. X to the power of 3 can be eliminated, so we are only left with y to the power of 4. So the final answer, log base 5, okay, y to the power of 4 over 2. So this will be the final answer. We have simplified the log. Now let's look at part B. Okay, so for part B, we have everything in log base 3. So first here we can see there's a minus, but of course what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring, if there's a number, okay, before the log, bring it over and make it as the power. Okay, so for B, it's going to be log, okay, base 3 6pq square over 5 minus log, so this one is going to come up as the power, 2p square cube, okay, the whole thing power 2. Okay, the whole thing you have to put it as power 2 plus log base 3 p3 over q. Okay, so now we solve this one by one. Okay, if it's minus, we know that we are going to divide this. If it's plus, we know that we are going to times the log. Okay, so here I'm going to write log base 3, okay, 6pq square over 5 divide 4, okay, this one is 4, 2 to the power of 2, p square is p to the power of 4, q square is q square, okay, then times p cube over q. So as you can see, since this whole thing is log base 3, so I just take out the log base 3. The others you can write it in the bracket. Okay, now we're going to solve one by one. So we can, this one when it's divide, we're going to change this to times. So this is going to be 6pq square over 5 times, okay, since this is up, it goes down, 4p to the power of 4 q square times p to the power of 3 over q. Okay, so simplify this. Okay, so here cut, here we get 3, here also can cut, so totally the p is eliminated. Now for the q, here cut, here becomes 1, q1. 6 and 5, then we have 1 and 4. Okay, so what I'm going to do is going to times first. So 6q times 1, so it's 6q. 5 times 4, this one q has already been, okay, so we have q square, so it's going to be 5q. 5 times 4 is 20, so it's 20q square. Okay, so from here, okay, we simplify this, so we get q has been eliminated, here q left 1, here the 6 we can always divide by 3, so here will be we divide by 2, so here will be 3, here will be 10, so the answer will be 3 over 10q. So our final answer will be this. So in the next video, I'll show you how to prove a different log. So until I'll see you next time.